this particular set, usually the horse is always lost. Kids when they play with the horse, they remove it and you never find it again. You may find only the rocket with the tender and sometimes with the cart, the flatbed cart. So the horse is always missing on the sets. Fortunately, I was lucky to buy this set, which is included this horse. Let's put it closer, see the details. Yeah, it has a really nice details, really cool. Some people don't appreciate the details. These companies make a big effort to produce such a quality item. Of course, today's there are not really good Trackmaster engines, but before, the previous versions were really nice. And this one was the beginning of changing the rods, the axles, with plastic instead of metal. When was that? This is dated 2012 from Mattel. Yeah, this one looks really nice. See the pistons, how they work with the motion of the wheels. It is a really nice model train. Looks like they messed up some paint. See the pipes right here, the pipes all around. I think they are pipes. Those are pipes. Yeah, the design of these model trains are really nice. This mimics like a wood fender. Yeah. And it's a little larger than the Trackmaster 2 or Trackmaster Revolutions. I like this design, it's really nice. But what I really wanted to talk and point is that this little horse always is missing on the set. If you are a collector, I recommend you to find this little horse and keep it, treasure it. Or if you are a kid and are beginning to making your collection, keep this on your sets. That is really nice. It's a really good set. Thanks for watching. Over and out.